Hi, my name's Tom and I run a company called Tom Lenthall Ltd. It's an independent Jaguar Land Rover specialist. And what we do is we repair and service modern Jaguars, modern Land Rovers, etc. But also combined with that, we do an awful lot of restoration work on classic cars. So we do engine rebuilds, suspension rebuilds, fabrication, paint, interiors, we do everything. And just of late, we've been doing some work for some YouTubers, which has got us an awful lot of attention that we really didn't expect to get. It's made us a lot busier, and it's been rather interesting, and you guys seem to have enjoyed the videos on what's gone out. So we thought we'd make some videos of our own and start our own YouTube channel. And involved with that, we're going to be doing videos of projects and engine rebuilds and stuff like that. And we're going to also do some stuff on our racing, in our XJS, and also I'll play around on motorbikes a little bit as well, doing track days and stuff like that. So we thought we'd throw a bit of that in for good measure. So I'm really hoping that you guys enjoy our videos that we put together. Would like to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll put some good content together for you and hope you enjoy it. Hopefully the electronics help you out. Oh, I've got to concentrate. It's a bit twitchy. So from a traction point of view, it's not ideal. That's, as we know, Harry's car. That's just been in for a little bit of fine tuning, nothing major. A little bit of getting a couple of things just sorted. Looking nice. This is a Daimler 66, which we are, have been doing a full repaint on and engine rebuild and stuff like that. That's our car that we're going to be taking to the NEC. So you'll be able to see it there. We'll be on the Jaguar Breakfast Club stand, as per last year. Number plate.
LOL. Thank you.
Well, I said I was a comedian when I bought this one. Afternoon. A little bit wetter than we hoped, so never mind, but we've had a good day. Mainly because of that. This is our XK8 race car, belongs to one of our friends, customers, Derek Pierce.
Got it sorted back to the house, Tom. We have a 12-cylinder XJ coupe.
In Class A was James Wall and Tom Lenthall.
Whee!
That is gorgeous, and I really want one.